This is the Lambeer F92 EK DPS from Italian manufacturer Lambeer. This is a high temp dishwasher that runs single phase 208 230. The machine comes delivered with 3 trays as well as 2 flatware baskets.
As you can see, the inside of the dishwasher is 100% stainless steel. It's reinforced stainless steel and it's punched stainless steel, so there's no welding inside the unit. All the wash arms, including arms and nozzle, are fully stainless steel. There's absolutely no plastic here. All stainless. The unit here is a double filter system, one level of filter here and a second level of filter to protect the drain pump from any contaminants that may happen. The unit is also an overflow unit, meaning that they only use half a gallon of fresh water per cycle. Control panel is fully electronic. Cycle choices is here. Start cycle is here, and drain pump action here. Main power on the right side of the unit.
The machine also comes with 4 cycle choices. That's 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and also a 15-minute cycle, which can be used to wash, for example, a small stock pot or a very dirty saucepan. The machine is what we call a plug-and-play unit, so it comes with both a soap, rinse pump, and a drain pump. There are no options available on the unit. It comes with the side panel, the insulation. It also comes with the capacity to do what we call the 70-degree rise, or the ability for the unit to rinse at up to 210 Fahrenheit, thanks to its 6.6 kilowatt booster and easy adjustment in the front of the unit. The machine also comes with a full 2-year warranty, parts and labor, and that's coast to coast.